Okay, YouTube, this is what I'm doing, man. Just put the seats in. I put the floor down, man. I was getting around to putting. I meant to YouTube it, meant to vlog it with me putting in. Excuse me, y'all. I meant to YouTube and vlog me putting the wiring harness down. On my last video, y'all seen me putting the wiring harness in. I was showing that. If y'all go back to my last video, I was putting the wiring harness in. As you can see, I got the full wiring harness in from a 2019 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. I upgraded. I had the 5.7. This was the Police Interceptor. You know, had to upgrade it. Didn't know everything was different in there. Got the Brembo on there, as y'all can see, putting the Brembo brakes on there. Yeah, putting everything in. Finna put the steering wheel in. Got everything in. As y'all can see, it's been gutted all the way. Gotta finish putting these wires in right here. Oh, let me zoom out a little bit. I'm zoomed in. Put these in. Gotta get this put back in right here for the air. Gotta get the steering wheel in and everything, but pretty much got everything else in. Oh, the good part is this. I got a whole new front end, SRT front end coming for it. Yeah, everything is out, as you can see. You know, had to put the whole different wire harness in. As you can see, that part, you know, this part has been cut up. I got to rewire this part right here. Yeah. Oh, I went with the SRT brake system because I had the Dodge Charger, the 5.7 brake system, guys. Let me tell you something. A lot of people probably don't know this or do know this. I am the first one on YouTube that's actually transferring from the 6.4 to the 5, from the 5.7 to the 6.4 Police Interceptor to the 6.4 Scat Pack 2018, 2019. I want you guys to notice this, that if you are changing the brake system, because the whole wiring harness, the brake system, everything is different, you know, and you Mopar guys, everybody, we know that you know, I'm learning this, that I just learned it, that the brake systems are different. So this one that I'm holding in my hand will not fit. So I have to run this line. I have to get a whole new line and run this line all the way through from here all the way to the back, because that line will not fit. Or I was thinking maybe if it was optional to get this part right here different, if it was optional, but I don't know if it is. So yeah, other than that, everything else, man, fixed perfectly, man. Everything else goes in perfectly. And I'm really excited about this project. You know, I want y'all to like and subscribe. You know, let's build the community. You know, let's help me out, man. Jay for life. I just want you guys to help me out, man, and let me know, you know, what else to do with it, man. I got a lot of things that I'm gonna do to this car as far as upgrades. I want it to sound good. I want it to look real good. You know, I want to do something different. You know, a lot of people, you know, a lot of guys done upgraded their cars from the you know, they don't like the 2012 2014 editions and everything. They don't like the the body styles, I actually love the body styles. You know, I think, you know, it actually kind of looks better. You know, I see some of them pass me on the expressway in the 2019s, and you know, when I had the 5.7, and they'll pass me up on the expressway, and it'll just look like, you know, it'll look like I'll be like, wow, you know, the style is okay, it's okay, but then I see a 2012, 2014, and I'll be like, wow, you know, the style just it just stands out a little bit better, especially when you done did some work to it, and you know, put some time into it. You know, one thing you want to always put time and honesty and love into your car, you know, especially when you're a diehard car fan like me. You know, put time and effort and the love into your car, and man, you're gonna really be excited about the results. So I just want y'all to, you know, let's build the community, J for life, and I'm gonna get back with you all. We out.